I've been learning more and more about how bad mold is, and it's like a secret killer, basically, especially when being pregnant. And and so I can't breathe. And so we're taking serious precautions, and we tried to get all the mold out of the room because Samuel also has allergies as well. And we got it out of 2 windows, but one of the windows we're still working on. But the sunroom we'd really like to use for seedlings and plants. It's also really nice to hang out, room to hang out in, but not right now. It is chock full of black mold. So I'm wearing like, this man-made mask. I'm gonna quickly spray vinegar, chuck baking soda, so natural things that won't hurt me and the baby, or anybody else, and then leave it for like 10-15 minutes for the mold to die. And then Samuel and I are gonna go in with masks, gloves, and we're gonna go crazy on it and scrub it and hopefully get rid of all the black mold, but it might take a few days, honestly, so we'll see. But if it seems like it's too much, then I'm gonna leave it to Samuel.
Yes. All right, let's do this.
Here, got our cleaning baking soda jar. Thanks to my husband. And those will maybe just stick those out in the sun for right now. Oh my gosh, what's up with all the dead ladybugs?
I'm telling you,
I just cleaned. I just vacuumed.
I don't know how they get in, but
Fast.
yeah. Apparently on this mountain that we live on, the people who lived here in the 60s or something, they brought in ladybugs because they were growing tomatoes or something like that. And they brought in ladybugs because the ladybugs killed a bunch of the bugs that were killing their tomatoes, because that's how they made money at the time. But they were not native to this area, so they have no predators. So now we have an endless amount of ladybugs in, though nothing to take care of them, so they're just festering everywhere. Oh my gosh.
Let's mix the bugs and mold.
Okay, that makes sense.
So I guess that will be another project.
Sure, all the
Unless we can get it today.
Little guy. They're very pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna go vacuum.
The super suit.
Should try and open all those doors right now. Oh, we can't. We'll block the mold. I was gonna say to get maximal airflow.
We can do it after. We'll do it. Bugs have been swept up. You want to tell them why baking soda works?
I don't know, it just does.
Nice, beautiful break.
Can you hear the peepers?
What are peepers with people? I thought they were something else. But apparently they're animals.
Animals.
Frogs.
I don't really know what peepers are, honestly, but we have them in Maine.
Sounds like a frog. Is it maybe an insect? I'm literally not
I thought it was tadpoles or something, but I don't know. Look at our wonderful little compost pile.
I don't think tadpoles can make sound. I honestly don't know.
Really good to breathe in fresh air. Tell me about the benefits of fresh air and sunlight.
They're very beneficial.
That's how his skin looks like that.
Yeah. No.
Oh, look at that's the inside of the. This is the other side.
Yeah.
Oh wait, no, that's just a reflection.
Welcome back in.
All right, back to work.
Back to work. All right. The look of a tired woman. Finished cleaning. Let's look at least what one section of this looks like. We saw what it looked like before, but it's looking a bit crispier. Could be better, but we're doing our best with what we got. This part as well. Nice and clean. We still got some edges to try and work in. It's real tough corners to try and get here the way it was designed, but nice and clean. Much better than before. But we'll see. We'll make this little sunroom something that we can use, you know, because we want to put seedlings in here. We want to grow tomatoes. We want to grow some things in here, and can't do that with mold, you know.
He said it.
Yeah. But yeah, there we go. That's it.
I don't know how you're getting this thing up. Wait. Wait. Dang it, it did with this one.
Yes.
sourdough starter recipe that I'm gonna try and follow. I've tried this 3 times in the past, and I've either let it die, or because I was doing it in winter, it was taking so long, and so I decided to just try it when we got to the new house because I didn't even know how to transport it in the car. So we're gonna try again now. I know it might still take a while because we're still getting pretty cold weather up here, and it drops down pretty low in the house at night. But even if it takes 2 weeks, I'm determined. Well, it's the slightest bit still damp, but I think it will be just okay.